Hey yo, what's up everyone? My name is Wan Adri Zulisham Ibn Zulfaka.
My name is Nur Arka Shakira binti Ismail.
My name is Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Asbi.
And lastly, my name is Muhammad Izzat Shazwan bin Lazid.
My student ID is 2023298186.
My ID number is 2022664548.
My student ID is 2023103205.
My student ID is 2023116273. And we are from Group 2.
For discussing the issues, let's first understand the surrounding environment. These roads serve as one of the main access routes to the parking area and nearby academic buildings. During peak hours, the junction experiences a continuous flow of vehicles, while many students also cross the road to reach the campus facilities. Because vehicles and pedestrians share this space, any road safety issues at this junction could increase the risk of accident. Our first observation is speeding. Although the speed limit within the campus is 30 km per hour, our spot speed study found that several vehicles exceeded the limit, within the highest recorded speed reaching 48 km per hour. Higher travelling speed reduced a driver's reaction time and increase the stopping distance, especially when pedestrians are crossing nearby. Considering that this junction is located close to student parking and academic buildings, speeding remains one of the most significant safety concerns.
Let's look at the road alignment. As you can see behind me, vehicles approach this junction through a gentle curve combined with a slight slope. Although the curve appears gradual, it limits the driver's sight distance, making it more difficult to detect pedestrians or vehicles entering the junction. At the same time, the downhill approach may encourage the drivers to maintain a higher speed before reaching the intersection. Another issue we identified involves a pedestrians crossing. Although designated crossing is available, it is not located along the path pedestrians naturally choose. As a result, many students cross the road at a designated location instead of using zebra crossing. This behavior increases the likelihood of conflicts between pedestrians and approach vehicles.
Moving on, we observe that this manhole cover is uneven with the surrounding pavement. Although the height difference may seem small, it creates discomfort for drivers and can affect vehicle stability, especially for motorcycles and bicycles. If left unrepaired, it may also contribute to tire wear and increase the risk of losing control near the junction.
We also identify a problem with the street lighting. The lamppost located at the entrance of the junction is currently not functioning. At night, poor lighting reduces visibility, making it harder for drivers to see pedestrians, lane markings, and approaching vehicles. This is particularly critical because junctions are conflict points where drivers need a clear visibility to react safely.
No pedestrian crosswalking signage at road shoulder. Visual aids like lane marking, warning sign and reflective paint are essential for guiding drivers safely. When signs are faded, blocked by obstacles like trees or roof or placed in the wrong position, driver may not see them in time or at all. This can lead to late reaction, missed warning and dangerous driving decision, especially at night or in poor weather.
So here is the procedure to conduct spot speed study. Firstly, we selected a suitable study site, a straight stretch of road with a clear visibility and no obstruction. Secondly, we use a radar speed gun to measure the speed of individual vehicle as they pass the study point. Third, data was collected during a representative period, a weekday morning to reflect a normal traffic flow. And lastly, each vehicle's speed was recorded individually until we reached a sample size of 100 vehicles, the recommended minimum for statistical reliability. For the spot speed study of 100 vehicles revealed a mean speed of 35.75 km per hour, median of 31.5 km per hour, and mode of 32 km per hour, all exceeding the university's 30 km per hour speed limits. The 85 operating speed was 45 km per hour, 15 km above the posted limit, showing that the majority of drivers do not comply with the said speed limit, especially near high-risk areas like junction and parking zones. Alright everyone, after we identifying the road safety issues and analyzing the spot speed study results, we developed several mitigation measures based on JKR recommendation to improve the safety of this junction. This recommendation is to install speed calming measures such as speed humps and thermoplastic rumble strips before the junction. These measures encourage drivers to reduce their speed before entering areas, with high pedestrian activities. This recommendation is directly refers to the principle JKR Arahan Teknik Jalan 8/86, a guide on geometric design of roads which support speed management in location where pedestrian safety is a concern.
Recommend installing additional height reflectivity warning signs, including stop sign and curve warning signs. Properly positioned signs give driver enough time to recognize hazard and react safely before reaching the junction. This recommendation follow JKR Arahan Teknik Jalan 2D/85 manual on traffic control devices, which provides guidance on the design, placement and visibility of traffic sign.
We recommend repairing uneven manhole covers and carrying out regular pavement maintenance to ensure the road surface remains level and safe. A well-maintained road surface reduces the risk of accidents, especially for motorcycles and cyclists.
Faulty street lights should also be repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Adequate lighting is essential for improving visibility at intersection and helping drivers identify pedestrian, lanes marking and potential hazard during nighttime. This recommendation follow the JKR guidance for road lighting design, which emphasize sufficient illumination at junction. For the problem with the current zebra crossing is poorly located, so pedestrians ignore it and choose a shorter, more dangerous shortcut instead. To solve this, we need to relocate the zebra crossing to that exact shortcut, matching actual pedestrian behavior. Spot speed study, safety is essential because data is collected close to moving traffic. Here are the main safety precautions. First, wear a high visibility reflective safety vest at all times. Second, stand at a safe distance from the roadway, preferably on the shoulder or behind a barrier. Third, do not stand in traffic lane or obstruct vehicle. Fourth, choose a safe observation point with a clear view of approaching traffic. Lastly, set up equipment, speed gun, stopwatch, camera, etc. away from the traffic flow.